Are there eco-friendly options for driveway crack repair materials? Yes, and choosing them protects your landscape and air quality. For asphalt and concrete cracks, prioritize products labeled low volatile organic compound and water-based, since these release fewer harmful fumes and break down less in soil and stormwater. Use cold pour crack sealants that are solvent-free for hairline and small cracks, applying with a caulking gun after removing loose debris and drying the area. Work in thin passes so material bonds and excess can be wiped up into a reusable container. For larger repairs, consider latex-modified cement or polymer-blended patching compounds that cure with minimal off-gassing and adhere without petroleum solvents. Mix only what you will use in a single session to avoid waste. When using emulsified or bitumen products, choose formulations with reduced oil content and follow manufacturer cure times to limit traffic and runoff. Always block nearby drains and collect rinsate when cleaning tools, then dispose of residues through your municipality hazardous waste program rather than washing into storm drains. For long-term performance, seal the whole surface with a low volatile organic compound seal coat every few years, applying in thin coats and reusing leftover material within the product shelf life. Common mistakes include using traditional solvent-based sealants because they are cheap and fast, which increases fumes and soil contamination. Switch to water-based or low volatile organic compound alternatives and allow proper cure time. Another problem is overmixing or mixing too much repair compound, which leads to waste and faster spoilage. Measure and mix only what you need and store leftovers in airtight labeled containers per product guidelines. People also neglect surface preparation, sealing over dust or vegetation causing poor adhesion and early failure. Always wire brush, blow out cracks, and remove organic matter before repairing so materials bond properly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work with eco-friendly materials and methods, and we list professionals offering the green options discussed here. We also connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we and other users share real-world experiences, product names, application tips, and disposal resources.